Hi, I'm David Adams, a regional manager at Caliber. You've built your career restoring cars to pre-accident condition. As one of the best in the business, how would you like to get paid to restore the rhythm of someone ready for a career as a body technician? You know that your skills are in great demand. If you're ready to ramp up your responsibility and reward, then Caliber's Technician Apprentice Program is right for you. You'll show your apprentices the ropes while they help you get work done faster and make you more money. Plus, you'll earn $10,000 bonus for every one of your apprentices that graduate from TAP. You heard me right, that's 10K. Read all the details in the job description below, but let me highlight a couple of things for you. As a one-on-one mentor, you will work side by side with 1 or 2 apprentices to safely repair vehicles to Caliber and OE standards. The mentor roadmap for 10 to 12 months will be Caliber's 13-step competency guide and ensuring your apprentices complete their I-CAR classes while getting cars safely back on the road. Sound good? To become a mentor, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 5 years of experience as a collision repair technician, and be I-CAR Pro Level certified and up to date on your OE certifications. Of course, you'll need a valid driver's license and be eligible for coverage under Caliber's insurance policy. Then, when you've completed your background check and pre-employment screenings, your first day as a one-on-one mentor, you'll start accruing paid vacation and be eligible for medical, dental, and vision benefits. Caliber is also going to pay for your I-CAR, ASE, and other OE certifications. And, as I've already mentioned, pay you $10,000 for every apprentice you graduate from TAP. Just think about your love of cars and your start in this industry. I know when I started over 13 years ago as a paint apprentice, someone took a chance on me. They poured in all their knowledge, industry information, and taught me to grow and mentor others in the future. There's nothing like Caliber's Technician Apprentice Program out there today. TAP is changing the lives of our apprentices and their families. And you're in the driver's seat. Create a legacy and click the button below to apply. We can't wait to partner with you.